as you can see, my Jeep Gladiator got some new headlights sent to me by LED Factory Mart. They're these headlights right here. So in the packaging, they sent me this fun sticker. Love it. Some easy to follow directions. You can see the lights are packaged very well. You have the connector with the daytime running light and directional wiring, and the wiring and connectors to install it. So I gotta remove the retaining pins from your grill, thing off, and the 3 bolts holding the headlight on are 10 millimeters. You could use a drill to get them off faster, but I used a ratchet. Alright, and here's the new light. So, you have the added daytime running light wiring and added turn signal. So, here are the wiring and Scotch locks to help you install it. So, I have aftermarket fender liners, and as you can see, the fender light. So I got my connector from up top, but it might be easier for you to remove your actual fender. Alright, so here's the wiring. Taped it up to make it a little bit neater. So run the connector side up towards the headlights and the wires towards the connector. Alright, so you have the Scotch locks. So you can see one side's blocked off and one side is through. So you put the through side on the wiring itself, and the wiring from the headlight, you put that on the blocked off side, and use some pliers to push that metal piece through. And you'll see on the factory connector, they're white wires, but the tracers match the wiring. So it's, the white wire with the yellow tracer matches the yellow wiring from the headlight, and the white wire with the green tracer matches the green wiring from the headlight. So, make sure the Scotch locks are on there, good and tight, plug it in. Alright, so now we have the headlight side. So I connected the 2 connectors for the turn signal and the daytime running light. I used electrical tape just to keep them together. They're very sturdy anyways, but it just makes me feel better. And then I taped them up, and I taped them together to keep it neat. And for the video, the wiring's super long, but after I installed the headlight, I did clean it up behind there just so it wouldn't get hooked on anything. Alright, so to install the headlight, they sent this included hardware. I started with putting the springs on the back. They're there to adjust the beam height if you have issues, but I had 0 issues. So I put the bolts in, I tightened them down till they were snug. I didn't go crazy, but my beam height was perfect, so I didn't have to make any adjustments afterwards. Alright, so we have the daytime running light on. Headlight just popped on. And here is the high beam light. So obviously you can't see it because it's daytime, but here's all the lights working. Here's the directional. So that's pretty cool. And here's what it looks like with the directional blinking with my fender directional. So, they blink in time. It's very nice looking. And here's what it looks like with the Jeep unlocked. Here's what it looks like Jeep locked. Alright, and here are the beams. So that's a low beam, high beam. You can see everything at night. So yeah, so that was the installation of the LED Factory Mart headlights. The process was nice and easy. They look great. Very happy with them. So yeah, here's what they look like close up and on. Yeah, love them. So, and I've had them for just over a month, and I've had 0 issues. So highly recommended.